Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal payment method on Shopify. First, open up your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, go to Settings, and then click on Payments. This section will show you all the different payment options available in Shopify, including payment providers, supported payment methods, and manual payment methods. To add PayPal, first check under the Supported Payment Methods section. In some regions, you might see PayPal available directly here. If you don't see it, try searching for it. It could depend on your region or language settings. If it's not listed there, you can go through a third-party payment provider. Click on that option, search for PayPal, and you'll see providers that support PayPal integration. If you already know the provider by name, type it in the search bar, and Shopify will show you if it supports PayPal. Now, if you still can't find it, you have another option: set it up as a manual custom payment method. To do this, click on Create Custom Payment Method. Enter the payment method name, for example, PayPal, then fill out the additional details and payment instructions. After entering the required information, click Activate, and PayPal will be added as a payment option for your customers. In most cases, though, it's easier to use a payment provider like Stripe or others that already support PayPal. You simply connect that provider to Shopify, and it allows you to accept PayPal payments seamlessly. Keep in mind, the exact steps and availability depend on your region. If PayPal is supported in your country, you'll likely see it directly under Payments. Just connect it, and you're good to go. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.